This is EZVIZ Smart Home Camera, creating easy smart homes. Model H6c Pro 2K resolution, EZVIZ Connect. Okay, view from anywhere, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, human shape detection, smart color, night vision. Protect your home, protect your store. Works with Google Home, works with Alexa. Okay. Human shape tracking. The camera will automatically track the humanoid object to follow the whole process of the activity. History playback. Support video storage by purchasing cloud storage service or installing microSD local card. Support recording of motion detection events, 24/7 recording. Patrol mode. The camera looks around periodically or follows the present waypoints to add another layer of protection. Okay. Then App Store, Google Play Store. You can download the app. Voice control. You can control your camera using just your voice with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant enabled devices. That's good. Okay. These are the features, main features: motorized pan, tilt, 360-degree visual coverage, motion detection, human shape detection, human shape tracking, two-way calling with touch button, night vision up to 33 feet per 10 meter, loud noise detection, sleep mode, patrol mode, supports micro SD card up to 512 GB and EZVIZ cloud storage. The function is only available in certain countries. Please verify the availability in your area before purchasing. The producer reserves the right of final explanation. Okay, this is the box, this is the bottom side of the box and the top side of the box. Now let's unbox it. This is the quick user guide. Okay. EZVIZ quick user. Okay, we are not, I think, for user manual. This is the camera. Okay, what's inside? Let's see. Okay, I think this is the way. Okay, here you will get USB to Type C cable. Okay, this is USB, and this the other side is Type C. USB to Type C cable. This is the adapter. Okay, a long cable. I think it's good. This is the adapter, and nice adapter. And this is another user instructions. I think this is the just install it. These are the screw, 3 screw for 3 hole. This is the mount base. Okay, now our main thing, the camera. Let's open it. There is nothing in the box now. So this is our camera. See, okay, this is our camera, and this is the outlook of the camera. Okay, it has a flashlight, front detectors. These features are, this is the rotate, this rotate automatically. Okay, EZVIZ calling feature. This is the back side. See, there is a speaker here. You can connect it using LAN, or you can connect it without LAN, I mean wireless. This is the USB-C port. Okay, and this is the EZVIZ connect it and then we'll try it. Okay, wait for a while. I'm going to connect it. Go to Google Play Store and search for EZVIZ H6c app. This is EZVIZ. Okay, I am going to install it. 10 million plus downloads. See, okay, installing the app. After installing it on the wall, now you just need to set like this. Okay, I am going to try it right now. Okay, this is the cable and this is the adapter. I am connecting it. Okay, and the back side here, just connect it like this. Okay, now I am turning on the power. After turning on the power, see, a light is blinking and the camera is automatically rotating 360 degree.
Please use EZVIZ app for device Wi-Fi configuration.
Okay, see, it's asking for installing the app. Okay, this is EZVIZ app. I am opening it. Okay, Bangladesh, save. Okay, sign in with email, sign in with Facebook, sign in with Google. Okay, so I am creating a new account. Create new account. This is the place where you can insert the micro SD card up to 512 gigabyte, and this is the reset button. The motion detection auto petrol mode is not working properly. I will give a review after using it. Viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.